If you are a man that can't resist your partner at every glance, then you start making erections, you have to start this family planning method because this will help you to prevent any occurrence of unwanted pregnancy, and not only that, it can also help you to prevent any sexually transmitted diseases. When it comes to family planning, men need to know that it is not only women who are entitled to be doing this family planning all along. Every time women are always found doing so many things. When it comes to antenatal, they are the one coming for antenatal. When it comes to family planning, they are the one trying to do or to make sure that they do family planning for both family. Men should also know that even this family planning method, they can also do it to help them prevent unwanted pregnancy. So that at the end of the day, they will not keep on blaming the women that get pregnancy out of having unprotected sexual intercourse. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the major ways in which men can also involve in this family planning method for them to prevent any unwanted pregnancy that might come. Make sure you watch this video down to the end for you to understand all these methods. They are very simple and it doesn't even involve you to do anything or go to a hospital or start taking drugs. They are a simple method. Number one is that you as a man, you should understand the menstrual cycle of your woman. It is not only women that are limited to know their menstrual cycle. It is your responsibility as a man to also know their menstrual cycles. Know between their free period and the time that they are not free for you to have sexual intercourse. When you start studying this menstrual cycle of your woman, that is when you begin to know their time of ovulation and their time of menstrual period. This will actually help you for you to know the time you can have sexual intercourse with her, even if it is unprotected one, and you will not end up having an unwanted pregnancy. As from today, for you as a man, take it as a responsibility upon yourself for you to study the menstrual cycle, the period of your woman, so that you're able to know the safe zone and her non-safe zone in order for you to prevent any occurrence of unwanted pregnancy. The number two method is the withdrawal method. That is for you to withdraw when it's time for you to ejaculate. But I also advise you that this number two method is not the safest method to practice because you are at 50-50 chance. You have 50 chance to release into your woman and end up giving her unwanted pregnancy, and also you also have 50 chance of you saving her from that unwanted pregnancy. This method can only fail in men who cannot have control in their ejaculation. When it's time for you to release, if you can't control it, this method is going to fail you. So it is better for you to practice other safer methods instead of practicing this method. Because if you're a man and you can't hold your sperm when it's time for you to ejaculate outside the vagina, you are likely to release a lot of sperm in your woman and lead you to unwanted pregnancy. The number three method that you can also practice as a man is the use of condom. Condom is made not just for fun purpose but for family planning purposes. So I will encourage you to start making use of condoms in every sexual intercourse you are having with your partner, if really you want to have this family planning method done. And if you are a man that can't resist your partner at every glance, then you start making erections, you have to start the use of condom as your family planning method, because this will help you to prevent any occurrence of unwanted pregnancy, and not only that, it can also help you to prevent any sexually transmitted diseases. You have to start this family planning method because it is also good for you. Number four is vasectomy. Vasectomy is a surgical procedure done in a man that wants a family planning. In this case, there is removal of the spermatic cord that helps in the passage of sperm being produced during sexual intercourse. There is removal of a tube that helps to connect the spermatic cord towards your urethra. And when this is being cut off, in every sexual intercourse that you are going to have with your partner, there is every 100% chances that you are not going to get her impregnated. Only that this procedure is a lifetime procedure for a man that is ready not to have a child again. And once this vasectomy is done, you will still maintain your erection at every sexual gratification. There are even some fluids that can even come out from your prostate gland or your vas deferens, but your sperm produced that can actually bring about unwanted baby will not be able to flow at that moment. So you as a man, you need to start planning yourself and stop blaming every woman at every unwanted pregnancy they come up with after a sexual intercourse that you both engage yourself in. So we need to see men fighting for their reproductive health, practice safe sex, and also maintain every sexual and reproductive right of your woman. So don't leave the blame and the shame alone to your woman, for she opened up to what you give her. So start your family planning life today. I still remain yours, Nos Malik. Don't forget you can always ask your question related to your reproductive health and your overall health. Write your question under the comment box, like our videos, and don't forget to subscribe.